Howdy, thanks for joining me. I'm Wayne. Hey, today we're going to go to Whataburger. We're going to get that sweet and spicy burger. We'll let you know how it is. All right, here it is. Sweet and spicy. Now, this comes with a meat patty on the bun. It comes with American cheese, provolone cheese, bacon, in your choice of mustard or mayonnaise, and their sweet and spicy sauce. So let's see how it is. Ooh, look at this. I think we better keep it over the paper here because it looks like it's going to be a little drippy. Woo! Look at that. I got mayonnaise on mine. See that? Can you see that in there? Now you can probably customize this in the app where you can get lettuce and tomatoes and all that kind of stuff. I didn't do that. I got it just as it came, okay? Now, if there's something you'd like to see me try, leave me a comment down below. We'll see if we can get it up here for you. We have people leaving stuff, and we do our best to get it up here. We go most every place. Doesn't have to be Whataburger. It can be any place. So, okay. Let's see how this is. This comes with 2 patties. Not done. I've gotten any of their sweet and spicy sauce yet. Okay. What am I drinking? Yes, sir. You guessed it. Let's get us another bite here. Got the bacon there. Now, you can get it without the bacon if you want to. The bacon is good. It's not the real crispy that you bite it and it just shatters. I don't like that. There's no hot spice to it that I've found so far, unless I just hadn't got to it yet. Mystery drink again. Had someone say it's probably a Coke in a Dr. Pepper bottle. No, I don't think so. It is juicy, I'll say that. Comes with did I tell you it comes with onions? Grilled onions? Yeah, I haven't tasted any spicy stuff at all. Okay. Rating. How are we going to rate this? It is a very good burger. I was expecting it to be rather spicy, but it's not. On a scale of 1 to 5, 1 being 5 being yo, I'm going to give this a 3.5. I think this is a pretty good burger, okay? If you've tried it, let me know what you think. Maybe you don't agree with my rating. Rating strictly my opinion, so just let me know what you think. Did you like it better? Did you like it worse? Did you love it? Did you hate it? Leave me a comment. I like comments, even if you just want to say, hello, go jump in the lake, whatever, okay? Okay, we're going to say thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think, what you want to see. And see you next time. But y'all know me. I'm not the real. I got to eat more of this. It's a pretty good burger. Tip. 2 patties in there. The grilled onions. 2 cheeses. I got mayonnaise, or you could get mustard, either one. I guess you could get both if you wanted it. I got some of the sweet sauce. Not much spice in it. A little bit, but I do like those grilled onions, though. They're good. Mystery drink. Really not much of a mystery, is it? Dr. Pepper needs to talk to me about sponsoring me, okay? Mm-hmm. You got too much bacon there all at once. Have you tried this yet? Sweet and spicy burger. Let me know what you think. It may just depend on who makes the sauce. It's got a little bit of a spice to it, but not too bad at all. I do like those grilled onions in there, though. They really help it out. The 2 slices of cheese, had American and provolone. I like that. I like a lot of cheese. I'm a big cheese fan. And somebody asked why my voice was like that. Wonder what like that is. Maybe it's the Texas accent, I guess. Who knows? I think maybe one more bite. Okay, one more. Yeah, there's some of that sweet sauce right there. It is good sauce, I'll say that. And like I said, a little bit of spice to it, not a whole lot of it. What am I drinking? Leave me a comment. Okay, I think that y'all probably don't want to watch me sit here and eat the rest of my lunch, okay? So we're going to say like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Tell me what you think. Did you like it? Did you love it? Did you hate it? Did you rate it higher? Did you rate it lower? Ratings are strictly my opinion, of course. And it's not real spicy. Had a little bit, but not much. So leave me a comment and tell me what you think, okay? And see you next time.